At OC International, we believe that the soul of a luxury interior lies in the details you cannot move.
Our specialized millwork and joinery department is dedicated to creating sophisticated, functional cabinetry and customized high-end decorative wall panels that define the character of a space. Whether it is for a 5-star hotel suite, a luxury villa walk-in closet, or a grand reception area, our craftsmen bring over 28 years of expertise to every fixed installation.
We operate dedicated fixed furniture and wooden assembly workshops where traditional techniques meet modern precision.
Working with a variety of premium materials, from solid oak and walnut to integrated stainless steel accents, we ensure every piece aligns perfectly with your brand's unique aesthetic. Our one-stop service covers the entire lifecycle of your project, including initial project programming, detailed shop drawings, and professional on-site installation.
OC International, crafting the permanent elegance of modern hospitality.